Greetings to all you front seat viewers and welcome to another video. I'm pretty sure you can tell by the tone of my voice that I'm excited. That's because at the time of editing this video, the channel is standing at 212 subscribers. So I want to say thank you to all of you legends for taking the time to subscribe to the channel and engage with the content. We can only grow from here. So a massive shout out to you. If you have been following along, you'd know that our car has been due for service for quite some time. So I'm happy to announce that we're getting that sorted today. I'm pretty sure that most of you would be interested in knowing how much it costs to service a 13-year-old 1.2 Renault Clio IV and to replace some wear and tear parts. So I'll be sharing some figures. So get into the passenger seat, buckle up and come along for the ride as I make my way to Renault Polokwane to get the parts that we're going to need. Enjoy. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notifications to get alerted on future uploads. And don't forget to share this on your statuses. I got to Renault and spent a total of 1,782 rands and 61 cents. I then made my way to Midas and spent 1,470 rands and 20 cents on a new car battery. I then made a quick stop to get some flowers and some goodies for someone special. I'm Mr. Romantic. After spending some extra dineros on those goodies, it was now time to head on over to Goldwagen to get some brake discs and some engine flush. And those cost 1,380 rands. These are the parts I got: oil, air filter, spark plugs, oil filter, engine flush, injector cleaner, and brake discs. After taking the car in for service, I received a call from the service center informing me that I needed new brake pads, so I had to pay an extra 650 for a pair. I was charged 1,900 rands for labor after spending 5,282 rands 81 cents on parts. Do you think that's too much? Do let me know in the comment section. Our baby is now serviced and driving smoothly. You know what that means. There's more content coming, so stay tuned. See you on the next one.